Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this electric sports car. How do you say it? We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often confusing car names too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say this? In Italian, for reference, it is said as Pininfarina Battista. Battista. In fact, you do want to stress on that double T. Battista. Pininfarina Battista is how you would say it in Italy, in Italian. Now in English, this is said as Pininfarina Battista. Pininfarina Battista. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more car brand names that many mispronounce. You won't after watching those. Do you know how to pronounce those correctly? You will, very soon. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.